I'm David Stein, President and CEO of Kuya Silver. Ticker symbol is KUYA in Canada, KUYAF in the United States. Kuya Silver is a mine developer. With our flagship project is a silver mine in Peru that we're putting back into production. And we do have a second project in Ontario, Canada as well. Sure, it was in production up until 2016. We got involved in it in 2017 and then bought out the former owners in 2020. We're looking at making improvements to the project and putting it back into production very soon. Yeah, it's a high-grade silver mine. Looks to be low cost, both on the CapEx and OpEx side, with very exciting exploration potential. Well, we've had a really big last 12 months, starting with we acquired quite a bit of land, several thousand hectares around our mine concession. So that was really important, really transformed our company from being a mine scale to a district scale play. Then we got our resource estimate out, which was very, very exciting, but more silver than we previously knew about. We got our permit to build a new mill in Peru, so that was quite an accomplishment for our team. We discovered more silver and gold on top of our property as well. We announced that earlier this year with some new discoveries. And then finally we got a PEA out, so an economic study out on the mine showing very low costs and very high return. And yeah, so tons and tons of news over the last year. It's been a really good year for us on that front. Well, I would say that the key thing will be when we announce how we're going to put Bethania into production. So we're looking at a couple of options right now, including, just given how weak the equity markets have been lately, we're seriously considering toll milling as a way to jumpstart production earlier and cheaper before we build our mill that we permitted, which is obviously going to be a bigger project down the road. So announcements relating to that probably going to be quite key. And then I think within the next few months as well, we should be able to do some more exploration both in Peru and Canada. Well, look, I think we're a very different, junior company. We compared to, the vast majority of companies here, because we have the near-term production potential from the Bethania mine. So we're not just another exploration company that's going to just drill. Our exploration potential stacks up to anybody out there. It's fantastic, but what's different about Kuya is that we can get it to production and become a legitimate silver producer very soon.